Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you? No. Pretty Caroline. Dancing in a corduroys when the sun sets while we're shooting Polaroids to not forget. Girl, you're looking like it's 1995. We just run away together, chase the weather, live a life written in love letters. Run away together, make it better, just us two.
Hi everyone! Good morning! Actually, a busy morning ngayon kung makikita nyo sa silent vlog ko. So, kakatapos ko lang actually maligo. Hindi lang halata kasi nag-dry na ako ng buhok. Kakatapos lang din ng online class. And for today's video, guys, I am going to take you to my day. A busy day in a life. I have a lot of things to do. So, first is I have work sa ACADSOC, sa online teaching ko. Next is punta akong SM later after ko mag-work because I have to get something. Lastly is mamayang gabi is we have a family dinner because anniversary ng parents ko. So, in short, ang dami kong gagawin today. And, alam mo na, haggard ako sa sobrang daming gagawin. And, masistress ako kasi I have a lot of things to do. I am a very busy person. But, I never tend to forget my skincare. So, ayan. Actually, I have a new care right now. Kung napanood niyo yung previous vlog ko, is gumamit ako ng rejuvenating set. Ngayon, is I will going to maintain the glow. As you can see, guys, like, sobrang clear pa ng skin ko. Like, dati kasi pag stress ako, like, parang tinutubuan ako ng little bumps dito. Ganyan, if marami akong ginagawa and alam kong sarili ko na stress ako, na meron akong mga bumps ako dito, nagda-dry yung balat ko. In short, parang sobrang dull ng skin ko. So now, I am going to introduce to you the skincare that I'm using. So, this is the Smile Skin Melazzo Toner. So this is the toner that I'm using, guys. Sulit na ito sa akin and sobrang ganda niya sa balat ko. Ayan. Like, ito yung skin ko without any makeup, guys, ha. Ayan, sobrang glowy niya. And ako kasi dry skin ako, lalo na ngayon, medyo nagtataglamig na. Tag-ulan pala. And if tag-ulan or taglamig, talaga nagkakaroon ako ng dry patches dito. Before ako mga dry patches, minsan sa ilong. As you can see, guys, ngayon, sobrang dewy na ng face ko. After ko mag-rejuvenating, talagang gusto ko i-maintain tong skin na to. So, this toner, guys, actually helps you control your oil in your face. It also helps you to treat your acne and whiten your skin. So, I've been using this product for almost 3 weeks already. And tinagalan ko talaga yung paggamit ng product na to, guys, para i-show sa inyo if kamusta na ba yung lagay ng skin ko. And I'm going to use it again. And I will going to use this round puff na nabili ko from Watson. Sobrang convenient niya and mura pa. Filler pads. Also really like about this toner is it will give you a glow kahit na hindi ka na mag BB cream or foundation. Basta mag toner ka lang is meron na siyang glow, like tingnan mo. Meron na siyang glow sa face. And guys, the Melazzo toner actually has this tea tree ingredient. that will help you treating your acne, and also it has glycerin that will hydrate your skin. So sinabi ko nga kanina guys na dry skin ako. Taglamig na, nagbabakbak na yung face ko, and then nagkakaroon ako ng dry patches. So it has a glycerin ingredient that will help you to moisturize your skin. The next part of my skincare is this Smile Skin Milazzo Serum. So ayan, it actually parang partner siya, toner na ginagamit ko. It will help you to hydrate your face because this is packed with good ingredients you wanted to brighten your skin. It also has this niacinamide ingredient. It will help you to reduce your dullness in your skin. And even for acne prone skin, you can actually use this because mas importante pa rin yung may moisture yung face natin. So let's use it guys.
Blue, I was scathing. It don't matter how long it'll take us.
So basically, that is it for skincare. So ito lang talagang dalawa ginagamit ko to buy these products. So you can visit my link down below. So just click on my link and you can purchase the following toner and serum. After my skincare, I will just going to use several makeup. So una kong gagamitin is yung Nichido Clear Eyebrow Gel. Lilinisin ko lang yung eyebrows ko. Next, I'll just use my eyelash curler. And lastly is I will put a lip tint. So the lip tint that I'm using is from Aura Cosmetic, the shade Girl Night. Ang sarap lang sa feeling na wala kang suot na kahit anong concealer, BB cream, or foundation, and talagang skincare lang yun nasa face mo. Sobrang gaan niya sa pakiramdam and walang bigat, walang stickiness. After this or skincare time with me is meron akong klase. So syempre, hindi ako pwedeng naka-sleeveless lang noon, di ba, habang nagtuturo. So I have this black cardigan. I have a class and ayun, mag-off lang ako ng camera. Waiting for my student to come. Okay, one more time. Have a clue. Let's look at this one. There's a so what kind?
I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out.
Guys, so ayun, kanina I was at the middle of my class when there was a sudden power interruption. So since walang power, wala ring internet. Like, syempre, kailangan natin ng power and internet to conduct our classes. So since kakatapos ko lang ngayon mag-class and kakatapos ko lang gamitin yung mga emergency backup ko, so why not, I thought na i-share sa inyo ba we went through yung mga ganitong problem. Since ayaw natin ng mga penalties, because if nagkaroon tayo ng penalty, of course, merong deduction sa salary natin. And syempre, ayaw natin yun. So I just wanted to share you guys kung ano ba yung mga ways ko para ma-survive yung mga ganitong klase ng emergency. Ito yung ginagamit ko. And the good thing about using laptop is kapag nawalan ng kuryente, unlike mga PC, ganyan pa rin siyang charge. Like, magagamit mo pa rin siya kahit na nawalan ng kuryente. So, sa mga magtatanong or nagtatanong before, ang specs ng laptop ko is HP Intel Core i3 7th generation. So, since walang kuryente kanina, I actually used my mobile hotspot. Nag-load lang ako from GCash. It's around 70 pesos lang and 1 gig na siya for 1 week. Ayan, so ayun yung ginagamit ko. Nag-hotspot lang ako. And thankfully, mabilis naman yung signal ng Globe earlier. So, I survived my A classroom class. Ayan, so ibang usapan naman if class in yung gamit ko. So, since nag-class din ako sa class in actually kanina, I used class in application. So, eto, if ACADSOC teacher kayo and wala pa kayong class in application, I highly suggest you guys na mag-download na kayo. So, ito yung itsura niya. I have a folder here. Ito yung work phone ko. Nagamit ko siya pang work, load the class in app, lalo na if nagkaroon kayo ng problems of as long as na merong data yung phone nyo is magagamit niyo yung class in app, and depende na lang sa signal nung ano man yung network nyo, this class in app. And pwede kayo mag-conduct ng lesson dito. Nandito yung mga list ng lesson and enter na lang kayo. I just used my earphone and stand. And pwede na kayo mag-conduct ng lesson. So, since walang kuryente, I am using Firefly lamp as a lamp. So, ayan, rechargeable pala siya, guys. So, kahit walang nakasaksak, is pwede ka magkaroon ng source of light. Like, ayan, ang ganda ng lighting. Kahit walang kuryente, as long as may charge and your phone and data. And pwede mo rin tong gamitin as a fan, lalo na if mainit. So, actually, nabili ko siya from Shopee, Firefly. I will going to link it down below. And also, yung headset na ginagamit ko, Shopee ko rin siya nabili. I will going to link it down below. So, ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko if there are problems. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng penalty today, which is really good. Kahit sobrang stressful siya and sobrang init kanina, hindi ako nagkaroon ng penalty. So, ayun lang, guys. Just still continue conducting your class para maiwasan yung mga penalty.
Your season of occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10.
Guys, so I have a package na dumating kanina. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung galing kanino to or from what brand. Dumating lang siya ngayon lang. Parang surprise package siya. Kasi walang nag-text sa akin or what. So, let's open it. Wow! Ito, wala na po siyang laman. Ito lang siya. And oh, it's Pacquiao Coffee. This is their PR package. This is from Pacquiao Coffee. And this is new to the market, guys. Oh, this is a mug. Their letter. Ayan. Essential sa akin actually kasi lagi ako nag-work and I like caffeine when I'm working. So, ito si Senator. Ito yung coffee. Bago lang siya sa market, guys. And then, I'm very honored. Isa ako sa mga unang titikim ng brand nila. So, this is the coffee, guys. It has 3 flavors. White, brown, and then original. Happy Anim! Picture na muna kami. Hi!
Singing our corduroys when the sun sets while we're shooting Polaroids. Girl, you're looking like it's 1995.
Magpapan lang ako kasi ang hirap kumain.
Bye-bye. We just run away together, chase the weather, live a life written in blood. Let's run away.
Amoy. O yung amoy? Hindi ganun talaga ang amoy ng wine. Parang juice lang.
Missing someone.